Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chidinma Crochet. Today we are going to learn how to crochet these beautiful sandals. Yeah, these are my working tools. I'll be using 3 black, 1 red, then my crochet hook, scissors and lighter. Then my already prepared sews, you can see it. I've already taken my measurements. Yeah, let's go. Make your knot. Then I'll be starting from here. Then you make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then you skip 1 stitch, crochet on the remaining 2 chains. Then after that, you work on the first 2 stitches of the sew, this and this. The next stitch, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip 1 stitch, then crochet on the next. Skip this, crochet on this. So we now have 3 stitches. At the end, you make 1 chain and turn. So you continue working, you work down. So at the end, you single crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew. Next stitch of the sew, you work, then you turn. So you skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So you work up. So once you crochet up, at the end you make 1 chain and turn down. Then once you crochet on the last stitch down, you work on 2 stitches of the sew, turn, skip 1 stitch and work up. Then continue with that till you reach here. Yeah, you can see it. So you repeat exactly what you did here, this other side. You can see it. So now we're going to work the upper part. Yeah, I made this one separate. I started with 20 chains, then make 5 rows. So I make it 2. You can see it. 20 chains, make 5 rows. So yeah, I'm going to fix it this way. Like this. Then stitch it. Yeah, you can see it. So this side, I will fix it here. Stitch it. Then this one too, I will fix it here. Stitch it. Fix this one here. Stitch it. Yeah, you can see it. So now we are going to create another design from the belt. You make your knot. So you're going to start from this particular belt now. This belt. So start from where it starts. You count out 1 stitch. Then start from the next stitch. So here we're going to work 14 chains. 14 chains. There you can see it. So you skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So work down to this point. So at the end, we are going to work on the first 2 stitches here. then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches you made on the belt, then continue working on your 13 stitches. So you work up. Once you reach here, make 1 chain and turn back. There you can see it. So now we are going to work on first 2 stitches on this belt. The first one, then the second one. Then you turn. So once you turn, you also skip the first 2 stitches. So now you are going to work on 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 stitches. So now we are going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you count out 5 stitches. Then crochet on the last stitch. Then you make 1 chain and turn. So once you turn, you continue working down. Work also on the chains. Then you work down. So now we are going to end this particular belt. Then you cut it off. Yeah, you can see the hole. So I have 5 rows here. So we're going to make another 5 rows on the other belt. You make your knot. So you count out 5 stitches. Start from the 6th stitch. Then you start from the 6th stitch. So you make 5 chains now. 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. So now you're going to count out 5 stitches. Then crochet on the 6th stitch. So you continue working on the remaining stitches. So at the end, you make 1 chain, then turn back, crochet down, then crochet on first 2 stitches on this belt, turn, skip the 2 stitch, work up. Then you work more 2 rows. At the end of the second row, you crochet on 2 stitches of this belt, then skip them, continue working. So now we are going to work on 7 stitches. 7 stitches. 2. Yeah, you can see it. Then you make 5 chains. Then count out 5 stitches. Crochet on the last stitch. Then you make 1 chain and turn. Then work more 3 rows. 3 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So this is what it will look like at the end. You can see it. So now we're going to work the side belt. Make your knot. So you work 12 chains. 12 chains. Then skip 1 stitch, crochet on the remaining 11 chains. You walk down to this point. So at the end, single crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew. You turn, skip the 2 stitch, we walk up. You can see it. Then you make 1 chain and turn. So here you make crochet on the first stitch, then you make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, you count out 5 stitches. Then crochet on the 6th stitch. There you can see the hole. Then you walk down. Yeah, at the end, single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Then you turn, skip the 2 stitch and walk up. That's it. So after working on the 7th stitch, single crochet 5 times on this hole. 3, 4 and 5. Then crochet on in the last stitch. You make 1 chain. Then you turn. So once you turn, crochet on the first stitch, make another 5 chain, count out 5 stitches. Exactly what we did to create this first hole. Then you walk down. There you can see the 2 holes. That's it. Then you walk more 2 rows. So you walk down to end. There you can see it. So you repeat the same here. That's it. So now we are going to make the round belt. Yeah. So this belt, I started with 84 chains. Then make 5 rows. 84 chains, make 5 rows. Then you fix. So we are going to stitch it here. So now I'm going to fix my buckle. That's it. So I'm going to fix it here. Just stitch it round. Yeah, you can see it. Then you buckle. Yeah, you can see it. Please, if you love this video, do well to subscribe. Also share to your friends. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.